Welcome back to Puerto Rico Live. This is Jeff Holst, and today I have a very exciting news to share with you. Well, actually, two pieces of exciting news. One, just this week, we crossed over 50,000 views on YouTube. 50,000 views. Now, I really appreciate that. You have no idea how exciting that is for me. 50,000 views on YouTube, on my channel here. And if you're loving the channel, continue watching the videos. I promised last week that I would start putting more content out. I definitely am do that. I am going to do that more. I'm back in Puerto Rico now. And I have been traveling over the weekend. I went to La Peguera and to Rincon, and also to El Junque. And so I'm going to have a little bit of content to share about what we did this weekend with my family, because my family's been in town. But that is only the first piece of exciting news. The second piece of exciting news, and this is something that I'm really, really happy about, and I'm excited to share with you all, is that my book, No Bad Days, comes out in only 3 weeks. Now, the reason I'm sharing this here is because this book is about travel, adventure. Yes, it's about how to give up bad days, and you'll learn that in this book as well. But there's so much more you're going to learn in this book. You're also going to learn about how I found financial freedom, how I was able to go from bankruptcy to retired in only 7 years, about how, in spite of getting leukemia, in spite of going through traumatic traumas, including the bankruptcy, I was able to go for now more than 27 years, 28 years without a single bad day. You're going to learn all that and more. You're going to learn a lot about my life and my perspective. And a lot of that has to do with Puerto Rico as well. I love Puerto Rico, so I live here in Puerto Rico now, at least part of the time. I'm working on getting here full time, hopefully soon. Getting sick of the back and forth between here and Chattanooga, but still got to do my business. So I still live in Chattanooga technically, although I've been in Puerto Rico for 4 or 5 months for the last 2 years. So I'm like here. I've been here about half the year so far as we sit here in the first week of April. But hopefully going forward, I'll be here even more. But anyway, I'm really excited about the book. I'm excited about living in Puerto Rico. I'm excited about the new content that's going to come out on this channel. But I really, really do want you guys to take a time to take a look at this book, right? So here's the thing. My book comes out in 3 weeks, 3 weeks from tomorrow, in fact, on April 25th. And we're going to game the system a little bit. So I'm going to give you guys a little backstage knowledge about why I'm sharing this book here. And I'm sharing it in as many places as I can on my Instagram. If you don't follow me already, it's at Jeffrey Holst on Instagram. Love for you to follow me there. It's JEFFREYHOLST. I'll put that link to my Instagram in the notes below as well. But yeah, so my Instagram, that one's a great place to follow me as well. But here's the thing. When you start selling books on Amazon, and this book is available everywhere, by the way, Barnes and Noble, Books a Million, anywhere that you can buy books, this book will be available. You guys can see my hallway behind me there, but my arm was getting tired, so that's what's going to happen. Anyway, so the book's available everywhere, but on Amazon in particular, they calculate Amazon bestseller status hourly. So what we're going to do is we're going to game the system a little bit to make the book become an Amazon bestseller, even if it's only for 1 hour or for 1 day. Now, I know that sounds a little crazy, and you might say, well, why do you even care? Well, here's why I care. The algorithm will forever favor the book once that happens, and we'll be able to get the book into more hands. And here's the thing. I don't plan on making a lot of money on this book. In fact, I'll probably not make any money when we consider the cost of time and energy. If I'm lucky, I might make $1 an hour for my time. I don't care about that, right? What I care about is getting the message out to as many people as possible, because here's the thing. My life is extraordinary. And this book is about living an extraordinary life. It's about recognizing that we only get this one chance to be alive, and we owe it to ourselves. We owe it to our communities, to our families, to the world, in fact, to live the best possible version of our life. And so that's something I'm really passionate about on my other channel, which I'll put right up there, Last Life Ever. We talk about that. We interview people that are doing exciting and fascinating things. But this book is an extension of everything that I hold important. And what it is is designed to do is to give you a primer on how you too can live an extraordinary life, how you can figure out how to buy back your time, how you can move to Puerto Rico if you've always wanted to move to Puerto Rico, because you don't have to be tied into any one place. It's going to teach you how to think about the future, how to think about now, how to live today as if you're living your best possible version of your life. And I just really know that this is something that's going to really help a lot of people. And so that's why I really want people to, buy the book and read the book. But even if I had to give it away, I'd be fine with it, right? So what I'm doing for the Amazon bestseller status is we're going to use the power of social media to get everyone who's going to buy the book anyway, the people that are supporting me, the people that find the concept useful, the people that think that they would like to read the book, or maybe they think they know someone that would like to read the book. All of those kinds of people, we're going to get them to buy at the same time. It's not going to cost you any differently. You're going to pay the same $17.95 for the book that you would otherwise pay. But in this case, you're going to get the benefit of participating in an opportunity to get the book into other people's hands, to people that otherwise might not have got it in their hands, right? So by us all buying around the same time on the same day, we're going to really increase the odds that we get to Amazon bestseller status. And like I said, that's going to be really important for the future of the book, the future of the message, and we're going to help a lot of people. So I'm asking you to go ahead and click the link that's going to be the very first line of the video description below. Actually, the second line of the video description below, because the way the algorithm works on YouTube, it's better if I put something like, get the book, and then below it I say like, the link. So the link below is going to be a link that's going to take you to a landing page where you can put in your email address and your name. And then what's going to happen is, I'm not going to spam you, and you can always leave the list if you need to. But what's going to happen is, over the next couple of weeks, I'm going to share some more insider tips, more content about the book through that newsletter. You're going to get a reminder the day before it's go day. The day before go day, you're going to get a reminder that tomorrow we're all going to agree to buy the book at the same time. And then that next day, you're going to get an email that says, let's buy the book. Buy it now. Buy it as quickly as you can. And whenever you get that, even if it's 3-4 hours later, it's still going to help. So when you get that email, go ahead and purchase the book. It's going to have a clean link to the Amazon, and it's going to take you directly to Amazon, and you can buy the book on Amazon. Now, if you have Amazon Prime, it's free shipping. But also, if you buy 2 copies of the book, it'll be free shipping anyway, because you'll be over the, I think that's enough. You might need to buy 3 copies. I don't know. But the point is, shipping shouldn't be an issue. It should be really cheap for you. You can go ahead and pick it up on Amazon. And then after we hit Amazon bestseller status, we're all going to celebrate, because my birthday is 2 days after the book launches. And so if you're in Puerto Rico, you can send me an email. My email address is always below, right? Send me an email, and I'll give you the information about when and where we are celebrating bestseller status and my 45th birthday at the same time. So even if you weren't going to buy the book and you just like my content, this is the way you can support the channel. You can support the channel and Jeff Holst by following me, by subscribing, by liking my videos, all that kind of stuff, but also by buying this book at the right time. So if you could just sign up below in the comments on that link and get notified as to when the book's coming out, that would be amazing. And I really, really appreciate everyone's support. And now, after this, I promise we'll get that other Puerto Rico-centric content coming out very, very soon. Thanks so much, and I look forward to hearing from you.